Hope everybody's having a great Monday. Just wanted to come on here and go over some things we talked about last week. Remember, we talked about the Batman, right, for the S&P 500, and now it's free falling, right? The videos we made, part 1, part 2 Batman, you see, now it's free falling. So, possible can even go up to down here, which I think it will, right? That's what we talked about. But technically, this measure is here. So it might get a bounce up, uh, but it's looking like it's heading here, right? The Batman free fall. Also, when you compare it to the Dow US 30, right, it's doing the same. These levels, right? You got the Godzilla head, then it'll do some bounce, and it'll do its mouth, and then it'll come down. Right? It may take a couple of months, guys. I mean, the DXY, right? We talked about this. It still has some gas in there, right? This is the line that it's been touching, right? So before we get any reversal, I mean, it's just, it looks like it still has some gas. And so, anyways, guys, to end it off, Vpad, you can see, we talked about yesterday, Wells were buying, and they are continuing to buy. And guys, these are not small orders, okay? 2 Ethereum, 3 Ethereum. These are not small orders compared to retail, especially in the times that we're going through right now. Retail is not putting this much money in a project like Vlaunch, a new project. So smart money and wells are accumulating, guys. So understand that you want to follow the money. You want to follow the big wells, right? Because they know what they're doing. You know, retail, you just fish. You know, like when you play poker, right? You spot the fish, right? The crypto game is the same thing, right? It goes through cycles, up and downs. But the whales and the smart money, they know what they're doing. So, anyways, guys, I just wanted to come on here really quickly just to go over that. But yeah, stocks, US 30, SPX. I call this the Godzilla. This is not the Batman. Here's the Batman, right? Still bearish pattern, but Godzilla is bearish too. It's very bearish. And why do I show you Vlaunch family? Why do I show you stocks? Because at the moment, you know, the blockchain industry correlates to stock markets. So it's very hard for the blockchain market to go up if stocks are going down. But again, guys, you know, I try to make it as easy as I can, right? Because my content is targeting everybody, including kids, right? Because nobody really targets kids. You know, I have a couple onboards that are teenagers, and I just want to educate the youth, right? The younger, because they're the future. And the way everything's going with the central banks, they need to understand, you know, what money really is, because they don't teach you that in school. They don't teach you about taxes or anything like that. But anyways, guys, right, the Godzilla, the Batman, very bearish patterns. DXY is going up. All right, guys, love you, and I'll see you on the next one.